Good morning.
Good morning.
We woke up in Chihuahua, Mexico. Well, that's where we rolled into last night.
Catherine did awesome her first time driving in a foreign country.
We made it to a little Circle K. We're actually parked outside of it's kind of like a gas station without the gas. As soon as we got past the border, there were checkpoints where we had to pay a fee for driving on the freeway and then another fee for driving on the freeway. So we're all like looking for different routes where we don't have to pay to use their roads.
The Libre roads, yeah.
Libre. Yeah, but anyways, we're in Chihuahua just using internet and getting all of our things ready to hit the road for Delicias.
Yep. Yep.
Buenos días. Se tocaron y la...
Okay. It's pauses.
Wow. They're gonna do a sun dance.
So the song it's like okay. So it's like it's slow. You just take your time, relax, and cool.
Tried to be sure, but you're so hot that I melt.